Cross-aldol condensation. When aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehydes and ketones, if both of them contain alpha hydrogen atoms, it gives mixture of 4 products.
Carbylamine. When aniline reacting with chloroform in the presence of base ethanoic potassium hydroxide, the product is phenyl isocyanide.
Coupling reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride reacting with phenol, then the product is para-hydroxyazobenzene.
Diazotization reaction. When aniline reacting with NaNO2 plus HCl, the product is benzene diazonium chloride.
Grignard reaction. When alkyl halide reacting with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether, the product is alkyl magnesium halide. Stephen's reaction. Cyanides or nitriles are reduced to corresponding imines with stannous chloride in the presence of HCl, which on hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehydes. Fitting reaction. When aryl halides reacting with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, the product is diphenyl or diaryl. Hoffman's bromamide reaction. When amide reacting with bromine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the product is amine. Aldol condensation. Aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes a reaction in the presence of dilute alkali. The product is beta hydroxyaldehydes and beta hydroxyketones. Cross-Woods reaction. When two different types of alkyl halides reacting with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, the product is mixture of alkanes. Guttermann's reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride reacting with CuHCl, CuHBr, the product is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. Woods reaction. When alkyl halide reacting with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, the product is double number of alkanes. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. When phenol reacting with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the product is orthohydroxide benzaldehyde. Kolbeck's reaction. When sodium phenoxide reacting with carbon dioxide at 135 centigrade temperature, 4 to 7 atmosphere pressure, the product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic acid.
Balch-Schiemann reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride reacting with fluoroboric acid followed by heating gives fluorobenzene.
Ether reaction. When toluene is reacting with chromite chloride with carbon disulfide, the product is chromium complex, which on hydrolysis it gives benzaldehyde. HVZ reaction. Carboxylic acids having alpha hydrogen reacting with halogens in the presence of red phosphorus, then the product is alpha halocarboxylic acid. Guttermann-Koch reaction. When the benzene reacting with the carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of the anhydrous aluminium chloride, the product is benzaldehyde. Cannizzaro reaction. Aldehyde which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self-reduction and self-oxidation on concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of aldehyde reduced to alcohol while another is oxidized to sodium salts of carboxylic acid. Schwarz reaction. When alkyl halides reacting with silver fluoride in the presence of metallic fluoride, the product is alkyl fluoride.
Wurtz-Fitting reaction. When alkyl halide and aryl halide reacting with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, the product is alkyl benzene.
Nitration. When anisole reacting with nitration mixture, the product is orthonitromethoxybenzene and para-nitromethoxybenzene.
Williamson synthesis reaction. When alkyl halide reacting with sodium alkoxide, the product is ether.
Rosenmund reduction. Acyl chloride is hydrogenated over catalyst palladium and barium sulfate. This reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction.
Finkelstein reaction. When alkyl halide reacting with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, the product is alkyl iodide.
Decarboxylation. When sodium salts of carboxylic acid reacting with soda lime, the product is alkane.
Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When anisole reacting with methyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, the product is ortho-methyl-methoxybenzene and para-methyl-methoxybenzene.
Sandmeyer reaction. The introduction of nucleophiles like chlorine, bromine, cyanide on the benzene ring in the presence of cuprous chloride HCl, cuprous bromide HBr, copper cyanide HCN.
Clemmensen reduction. The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones are reduced to CH2 group on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid.
Holt-Kirchner reduction, when carbonyl groups of aldehydes and ketones are reduced to CH2 group on treatment with hydrogen followed by heating with sodium hydroxide.
Esterification, acid reacting with alcohol, the product is ester.
Hydroboration oxidation, boron reacting with alkene, it gives trialkyl boranes. This oxidation give alcohol reacting with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of ethanoic NaOH.
Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Phthalimide reacting with potassium hydroxide forms potassium salts of phthalimide, which on heating with alkyl halides followed by alkaline hydrolysis forms corresponding primary amines.
Acylation, when anisole reacting with acetyl chloride in the presence of Lewis acid, the product is orthomethoxyacetophenone and paramethoxyacetophenone.